Your roof is one of the most important parts of your home, offering protection from the elements and helping to maintain the structural integrity of your house. As a homeowner in Macomb, it's essential to understand that your roof is constantly exposed to weather extremes, from scorching summers to icy, snowy winters. To ensure your roof lasts for years to come, regular maintenance is key. Macomb Roofing Experts can guide you through the necessary steps to protect and preserve your roof. Here's your guide to long-lasting roof maintenance that can save you money and prevent major headaches down the road. Why roof maintenance is crucial in Macomb. Macomb's climate, with its wide temperature fluctuations, heavy snowfall in winter, and humid summer months, can take a toll on roofing materials. Without proper care, roofing materials can deteriorate faster, leading to leaks, insulation issues, and even structural damage. Regular roof maintenance can extend the life of your roof, prevent costly repairs, and help you avoid a full roof replacement sooner than expected. In addition to protecting your home, a well-maintained roof can boost your property's curb appeal and improve energy efficiency. Key components of roof maintenance. Roof maintenance isn't just about checking the shingles or tiles. It's about evaluating the overall health of your roof. Macomb Roofing Experts typically focus on these key components during inspections and maintenance. Inspecting shingles or roofing material. Shingles, tiles, and other roofing materials naturally wear down over time. During regular inspections, roofing professionals will look for missing, damaged, or curling shingles that may be allowing water to penetrate the roof. They'll also check for signs of granule loss in asphalt shingles and cracks that could lead to leaks. Repairing or replacing damaged shingles quickly can prevent more serious issues, such as water damage or mold growth, from developing inside your home. Cleaning gutters and downspouts. Your roof's gutters are essential for directing rainwater away from your home, preventing water from pooling around the foundation. Clogged gutters can lead to water damage on the roof and inside your home, as well as cause the growth of ice dams in the winter. In Macomb, with its heavy snowfalls, ice dams can be especially problematic, causing damage to both the roof and gutters. A professional roofing contractor will clean gutters regularly to ensure proper drainage, helping to extend the lifespan of your roof. Checking roof ventilation. Proper attic ventilation is essential to maintaining a healthy roof. Without good ventilation, heat can build up in the attic, causing shingles to deteriorate faster. In the winter, poor ventilation can lead to condensation issues that promote mold growth and damage your roof structure. Macomb Roofing Experts will assess your roof's ventilation system, ensuring that air can flow freely through the attic, preventing damage caused by excess heat or moisture. Inspecting flashing and seals. Flashing is the metal material placed around roof penetrations, such as chimneys, vents, and skylights, to prevent water from entering. Over time, flashing can become damaged or deteriorate, leading to leaks. Roofing professionals will check the flashing for any signs of rust, gaps, or cracks and ensure that it is properly sealed. Additionally, seals around chimneys or vents may degrade, so checking and resealing them is essential for preventing leaks. Tree maintenance and debris removal. In Macomb, heavy storms, strong winds, and fallen branches can cause significant damage to your roof. Overhanging branches should be trimmed to prevent them from scraping against the shingles or even falling onto the roof. Additionally, leaves, twigs, and other debris can accumulate on the roof and in the gutters. Regular removal of debris ensures your roof can breathe and prevents moss, algae, or mold from growing on the surface. Inspections for moss, algae, and mold. Moss, algae, and mold growth can be a common issue in Macomb's humid climate. These growths can trap moisture, which can weaken the roof's integrity and cause it to deteriorate more quickly. If left unchecked, they may lead to long-term damage. Roofing experts can use non-invasive techniques to remove growths without causing damage to the roofing materials. The benefits of professional roof maintenance. While DIY inspections and maintenance are important, there are several advantages to hiring Macomb Roofing Experts for professional maintenance. Expert knowledge. Professional roofers have the experience and knowledge to spot problems that may not be immediately visible to the untrained eye. They know exactly what to look for and can catch small issues before they turn into expensive repairs. Extended roof life. Routine maintenance can extend the lifespan of your roof, protecting your investment for many years. A well-maintained roof can last 20 years or more, depending on the materials and care. Warranty protection. Many roofing materials come with manufacturer warranties that require regular maintenance to remain valid. By hiring professionals, you ensure that your warranty remains intact and that you have expert documentation for any future claims. Safety. Roof inspections and repairs can be dangerous. A professional roofing contractor has the necessary equipment and safety protocols to ensure that maintenance is carried out safely and effectively, without putting anyone at risk. Final thoughts. Regular roof maintenance is an essential part of homeownership in Macomb, especially given the region's fluctuating weather conditions. By working with Macomb Roofing Experts, you can ensure your roof stays in optimal condition, protecting your home and preventing costly repairs. Whether it's inspecting shingles, cleaning gutters, or checking ventilation, these regular tasks will help extend the life of your roof and give you peace of mind that your home is protected from the elements. If you haven't had your roof inspected in a while, now is the perfect time to schedule a professional maintenance check. Contact a trusted roofing expert in Macomb to ensure your roof is ready to handle whatever weather comes its way.